Hi students! Welcome back sa Gramath. Handa ka na bang matutong mag-evaluate ng algebraic expressions na madali? Sobrang simple lang to, promise. Tara, simulan na natin. Evaluate each expression with the given variable values. So example number 1, x plus 12, x is equal to 5. So meron tayong value yung x dito. So ang gagawin natin is ipa-plug in lang natin or isa-substitute doon sa expression which is x plus 12. So isolve natin. So x which is equal to 5 plus 12. And that is equal to 17. So yun na yung sagot. Okay? Next, example number 2. 3x. X is equal to 2. So yung value ng x is 2. So, isa-substitute na naman natin do sa expression yung value ng x which is 3. Okay, so this is multiplication symbol times 2. So, ibig sabihin yan, multiplication. And that is equal to 6. So, yun na yung ating sagot. Alright? Now, let's move on sa next example. Next example is 3y minus 4 and y is equal to 6. So, isa-substitute natin yung value ng y doon sa expression. So, 3 times 6 minus 4. So, 3 times 8, that is equal to 18 minus 4. So, that is equal to 14. So, yun na yung sagot natin. Alright? Next, number 4, y plus 25 divided by x. Y is equal to 10 and x is equal to 5. So, sa expression na to, or sa example na to, dalawa yung ating variables. Yung y at saka yung x. Okay? So, isa-substitute natin yung value ng y at saka x doon sa expression. So, let's do it. Y is equal to 10 plus 25 divide by 5. Okay? So, let us solve now. So, meron tayong dalawang operations. Yung addition at saka yung division. Okay? So, according to PEMDAS, kailangan na muna nating unahin ang division. So, let's do it. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Tapos, ikakopy natin yung addition and then yung 10. So, that will equal to 10 plus 5, which will give us 15. So, yan na yung sagot natin, 15. Okay? Next. Next example is example number 5. X squared minus 5xy plus 3y. Okay, so yung value ng x is 3 and yung value ng y is negative 2. So ulit, isa-substitute na naman natin yung value ng x at saka yung value ng y doon sa expression. Okay, so 3 squared minus 5 times 3. So, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Okay? And then, negative 2 plus 3 times negative 2. Okay? So, 3 squared that is equal to 9. So, we have here, ito, yung negative, multiply by negative, magiging positive yan. So, itong minus dito, pwedeng isama natin yan sa 5 as its sign. So, pwedeng siya maging negative 5 times 3 times negative 2. So, kung meron tayong negative sign and then negative sign, in multiplication, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng positive. Okay? Positive value. So, this one is negative 15. So, kung i-multiply natin yan dyan, that will equal to positive 30. Okay? And then this 2 is negative 6. So, negative 6. Ngayon, meron na naman tayong dalawang operations. Yung positive tsaka yung negative. So, according to PEMDAS, pwede na natin siyang isolve from left to right. So, gawin na natin. So, that is 9 plus 30. That is 39 minus 6. And that is equal to 33. So, yun na yung sagot natin. Okay? Now, let's proceed to example number 6. X squared minus y squared plus 5x. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 2. So, meron tayo ulit ditong dalawang variables. So, now, i-substitute ulit natin siya doon sa expression. So, x squared is equal to 3 squared minus, lagyan natin ng open and close parenthesis kasi negative 2 squared plus 5 times 3. Okay? So, this is actually equal to 9. So, ito is equal to negative 2 times negative 2. That is equal to positive 4. Positive 4. So, i-copy natin yung negative and then yung 4. Okay? Positive 4 plus 15. So, i-write natin yung expression. So, 9, pwede na natin tanggalin yung parenthesis. Negative 4 plus 15. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve from left to right. So, that is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. I-copy natin yung addition. 15. And that is equal to 20. So, yun na yung sagot. Okay? So, ngayon, kaya mo nang mag-evaluate ng expression, di ba? So, kailangan lang nating mag-practice para gumaling. So, kung may natutunan tayo sa video na to, huwag kakalimutang mag-like, comment, at subscribe. Kita-kits sa ating next video. Goodbye!